So, what I said is, all of you guys must go through the answer booklets of the toppers. I will give you history answers of these toppers, especially this year topper Shubham Kumar. You have to go through that booklet. Okay, just to see what kind of answer he written. It is not something extraordinary answer. It is something very convincing answer, very fitting to that demand of the question. Similar way, in every subject, every faculty will hand over you the answer, the printed copy or the hard copy of these answer booklets of the toppers. You have to go through the answers. You have to go through the answers, and you always make a self assessment. You go for a self evaluation, how your answer is different from that of the topper, or what are the qualities of topper's answer and what all things missing in your answer. Okay, trace it out and try to inculcate those things into your answer writing. So it is always nice that every aspirant has to go through the toppers answers. Okay, at least the top 10. I mean, those who secured like all India rank 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, you just go through and just try to realize what kind of the answers they're done for GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, or how they framed their essay, how you are framing your essay, how you are writing your history, geography, society, or polity, constitution, governance, international relations, or economy, ethics answers. Okay, so always have a self-assessment, self-evaluation, and to try to learn from that of the toppers. Okay, that all of you has to do. Now today we are learning our next module in world history, and that is American Revolution. American Revolution, why it is significant? Because American Revolution popularized worldwide the idea of democracy. The idea of democracy. The idea of democracy popularized by one revolution. That revolution is known as American Revolution. Okay, American Revolution is significant in the world history because this is for the first time the idea of democracy is popularized by American Revolution. The idea of democracy is popularized by American Revolution. Now, my stand on this, my take on this module is, before starting this module, I will go through some questions. Okay, before starting any module, first you go through the questions, the previous year's questions, so that you will get an idea where to focus in that particular module. 2019, there was a question, yes, this modern world, how this American Revolution and the French Revolution, how American Revolution and this French Revolution laid foundation to modern world. Okay, how American Revolution and this French Revolution laid foundation to modern world. Modern world means politically, socially, economically, culturally, intellectually, or ideologically. How to lay the foundation to modern world? That is one question UPSC asked in 2019. You remember? Then there is a question, American Revolution, it was a revolt against British mercantilism. American Revolution was a revolt against this British mercantilism, or American Revolution, it was a conflict between this American capitalism versus British mercantilism. Okay, there was a question UPSC asked. Yes, it was a revolution between, or it was a revolt between American capitalism and British mercantilism. So you have to analyze to what extent it was a revolt between, conflict between American capitalism and British mercantilism. Again, UPSC asked a question. That question was, yes, no tax without representation. No tax without without representation. Your take on this particular no tax without representation in the context of American Revolution. What does it imply? What does it imply? No tax without representation in the context of American Revolution. In the context of American Revolution. Then there can be a question like, for example, what was the nature of this American Revolution? What was the nature of this American Revolution? Is that a revolution? Whether it was a revolution or it was a freedom struggle. Whether it was a revolution or it was a freedom struggle. Okay, then there can be a question. The question can be like this. Yes, the impact of American Revolution. The impact of American Revolution on India. Okay, impact of American Revolution on India. India was a colony of this Britain, and how it became the most valued colony of this Britain after loss of America. So its impact on India. Okay. Again, the question can be like this: what all the reasons for the failure of the failure of Britain? Such a powerful army. Why this Britain failed with these American soldiers? Okay, that can be another question. Again, the question can be like this: how this American Revolution influenced French Revolution? How it influenced French Revolution, or how it influenced entire Europe and Asia. This is the way UPSC asks questions from this module. So it is very important, it is very potential that all of you guys must realize what is the demand of this module from your exam point of view. That is why I just showed you the questions being asked by UPSC from this particular module. This is the way UPSC asks questions. So now you realized where you have to focus in this module. First important thing is, of course, we must know various causes behind this revolution, American Revolution. We must know the nature of this revolution. We must know various events in the journey of this revolution. What all events happened or the cause of the revolution. Also, we must know what were the consequences. What were the consequences of this revolution? That consequences fundamentally I told you. Yes, democracy. The idea of democracy is popularized worldwide. That is a direct impact of this revolution. And you see, yes, something which is on human rights, or the world first written constitution came into force. Am I right? Is American Constitution and the fundamental features of American Constitution. So these things we have to focus on this module. We are starting this module. American Revolution. In history, when you study history, the timeline is very, very important here.